Well, hello, ladies. And what a beautiful nails, isn't it? It's a beautiful color, and now that I wanted to change it, I'm going to remove the nail polish. But oh my goodness, what is this? It's the blue tint. What a horrible nail polish tint. Horrible polish. But you can remove it easily with baking soda and lemon naturally. So for that we need to take a baking soda, and with the old toothbrush I'm just going to dip this into baking soda and gently brush on my nails. This will remove that horrible tint. And take the lemon wedge, add baking soda, squeeze to activate so that they can marry together and do their magic, and gently rub onto the nails. Now as you can see, it's already started coming off and the tint is no longer there. And this will also exfoliate and polish your nails and strengthen your nails, and it will help them go stronger and faster. So as you can see, now I'm going to wipe that out with the towel, and look how beautiful the nails are. It's nice and clean, very refreshed. And to compare this with my tinted nails, I'm not going to apply that polish again. Now apply cuticle oil. I'm using Nail Tech Renew, but you can also use any oil or olive oil, it's fine. So look how nourished and healthy the nails look. So this is really good formula to strengthen your nails. Also, it's ready for another manicure. Thank you for watching.